VSM Vidyadan Sahayak Mandal, conceived and launched in 2008, is an assurance of help to needy and deserving students. The one thing the founders were very clear and firm about was that VSM would be more than a funding source. While education was perceived as an effective tool for upliftment of the underprivileged, developing an all-round personality and character was believed to be the tool for shaping the future generation. Today's children would be the torchbearers of the next generation, armed with education and strong character. Firmly grounded in this belief and guiding principle, VSM follows a well-planned methodology of selection and nurture of its beneficiaries. In the selection process, a criterion of needy and deserving is strictly adhered to. Then begins the systematic process of nurturing. Each student is allotted a mentor who acts as the guardian parent. The mentor visits the mentee's house to meet his family and understand his background. This helps in winning the trust and confidence of the student as well as his family. Thus, besides keeping track of the mentee's academics, the mentor provides a strong psychological support too. As an education NGO, academics is the major focus, and VSM has 12 career guidance teams, namely medicine, nursing, science, commerce, arts, engineering, ITI, fine arts, etc. These teams are led by professional experts in respective fields to take care of the academic needs of the students. Regular academic workshops, doubt-solving sessions, troubleshooting, guest talks or webinars of experts, CV writing, interview preparations are some of the major activities undertaken by the specific career teams. Special coaching is arranged for preparation of competitive examinations by experts. An all-encompassing support is given to the students, right from choosing a career depending on students' academic performance and skill sets, till getting a job and becoming financially self-sufficient. Recognizing the need of the day, a special project has been launched for improvement of English language of the students. This is to ensure that lack of English language skills does not hamper the chance of a good job and career growth. Hostels are also provided for distant students at Thane and Shahpur. Nurturing is an ongoing process at VSM. Annual events and workshops are meticulously planned, taking into consideration the needs, capabilities, and ambitions of the students. Events like Be Frank and residential camps provide a platform for freedom of expression and on-hands learning experience. Meticulous planning and execution are the hallmarks of VSM. A detailed annual event calendar is prepared and given to the students and the volunteers at the beginning of the academic year. Our efficient help desks, WhatsApp and Google Group help in addressing the queries and problems faced by volunteers and students alike. A monthly report submitted by each mentor tracks and records the academic performance of the mentee. A performance evaluation at the end of the year helps in deciding the continuation or otherwise of a beneficiary student. VSM believes in continuous capacity building of volunteers, and it is an integral part of VSM activities. Volunteer workshops are held twice a year and are eagerly awaited by all. Each workshop is unique in its theme and organization. It focuses on team building exercise, elaboration on basic principles of VSM, problem sharing, exploring ways and means to address the same. There is a healthy exchange of opinions and experience at this amalgamation of old and new volunteers. The role of a mentor and the bond between mentor and mentee is extremely gratifying. The USP of Vidyadan is thus the unique concept of mentorship. All volunteers working on honorary basis, complete transparency and only 5% of the donated funds being spent on administrative expenses. The management strives to effectively utilize every penny received for students' benefit. Over the years, this has helped us win the trust of our valued donors. We try to reach the donors through various social medias to keep them updated about our various events. The quarterly published Donors Bulletin, VSM Connect, is a step towards the same. These efforts have reduced the geographical distances between us and our esteemed donors. The real torchbearers of VSM are its successful alumni, including doctors, nurses, engineers, technicians, architects, commerce and arts passed out students, social workers, etc. The alumni remain connected with VSM in various ways, and the Alumni Association helps in spreading the word about our work. At present, our alumni are 400 and contribute significantly in the different academic and other core activities of VSM. A successful alumni also serve as a role model and inspiration to our existing students. Today, VSM has an outreach of more than 230 villages all over Maharashtra and is functioning through its 6 branches at Thane, Shahpur, Borivali, Pune, Nagpur and Aurangabad. Current students are 325. Volunteer strength is 300 and the budget for the year 2020-21 is Rs 1 crore 45 lakhs. Considering the ever-expanding canvas of VSM work, we are in need of more helping hands for volunteering and increased financial aid to support more needy and deserving students. We therefore humbly appeal to one and all to come forward and join us in this noble and gratifying journey of uplifting deserving underprivileged students and be a part of this change in the lives of the students in whose hands lie the future of our country. Thank you.